happy, no? You all finished your what? Assessment also. Correct, no? Yes. But you all came to know how you did your assessment, children. So improve your weaknesses and also improve your strengths where and all required. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನೀವು ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನೂ ನೀವೆಷ್ಟು ಏನು ಓದಬೇಕಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದ words and making sentences. What we have done, very simple I have done. But for UKG you have the writing, more and more writing also. But because of this pandemic, we didn't took the schooling, so only the online we can teach you children. But writing practices you have to do yourself. Otherwise, it will become very hectic to you. So be cool and practice at home. And your so many time is there for you. Don't waste your time. Utilize your time for a good thing. That is improving your handwriting. Nothing is difficult children. First you have to set your mind. ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮನಸ್ಸಾಗ ಅನ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್, ನಾನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಮ್ಮ. ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವೇನೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 4 lines ಬುಕ್. ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪೇಪರ್ or English magazine or anything English. Okay, you start writing by seeing that paper. If you don't know the spelling also, okay, you just read. T-H-E, the, you write the. What, W-H-A-T, what, you write the word. If the word is very big, like fantastic, like academic, like that, if it is difficult, you don't need to ask your mama, just you improve your handwriting, no, just you copy the words from there to here. But daily you have to write 1 page to improve your handwriting. Write it neatly and very sweetly. Like that you have to write the Kannada also, Hindi also. No need of copying only from the book. I am not telling you read and write only the UKG thing. You can write anything. But with that you have to complete your curriculum syllabus also. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವರ್ಡ್ಸು ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಆಲ್ ದ 3 letter words, more than 3 letter words you can practice. Okay, shall we start with one good habit? Yes, I have one book. They have given some keywords. Then I will explain on the basis of that only. Take part in social activities. Take part in social activities. What is this social activities? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ social activities? For example, if you are staying in one area, they will make some Ganapati festival. They will make some Diwali festival. The area wise ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಗಣಪತಿ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಪೆಂಡಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಡೀ ಏರಿಯಾದವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರೆದು, ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ರೋಡವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರೆದು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಥರ, ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ಅವರು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಹೆವಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ನೀರು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನೀರಿನ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ನೀರು ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ, ಯು ಮೇ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆಲ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರಿನ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅವರೇ ನೀರು ತಗೋತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ನೀರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೀಪ್ the surrounding clean. How you can make it surrounding clean? If you see any paper bits or anything, dry leaves or any bottles or plastics and all on the road, what you have to do, you have to clean that and put it into near dustbin. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಕುಡ್ದೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿಸಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಪೆಪ್ಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಡ್ದಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅನ್ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಥರ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕವರ್ಸ್, ಏನಾದರೂ ತರಕಾರಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಕವರ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೇಪರ್, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಈಟ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ನೋ they will close like this. If you see that person, you tell to them, uncle ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That is called the social activity. But don't touch the things with your bare hands. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡಿ. You wear the gloves and you can do. And don't pick all the undirty things. ತುಂಬ ಗಲೀಜಾಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವೀಪರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆಂಟಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಬಿಸಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆದಾಗ ನೀವು ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಸಾಕಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಕವರಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಸದ ಗಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸೇವ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇವ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿನ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹೌದು, ತುಂಬ ಮನೆಗಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮನೆ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಿಚನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೂ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತಲೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ನ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ನ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ವೆನ್ಎವರ್ ಯು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಯು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಫ್. In the morning, in the front of the most of the rooms you get the sunlight. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ through the window. In that room window you don't put the light in the morning. Whenever you require you can put the light. Fan also 24/7 you don't put the fan. Try to get the natural air. Okay, like this you can save the electricity, children. Yes. Yes, today I am going to do a lesson, okay, of the final division of the lens, L. Okay, what and all we learn? BL, CL, GL, FL, PL, SL. We learned now all these things. Blue, black, block. Blue, black, block. CL के clap, clip, cloud. Clap, clip, cloud. GL, glass, gloves, glow. Yes, glass, gloves, glow. FL के fly, flap, flip. Fly, flap, flip. PL के play, plug, plug. Okay, play, plug, plug. And SL slim, slip, slim, slip, slip. So many are there. Blue, black, block, clap, clip, cloud, glass, gloves, glow, fly, flap, flip, play, plug, fly, slim, slip, slip. These all are the revision of L blends. Okay, already I have given so many homework and I did the revision more than a 8 class. You have to go through that and be thorough with this L blends. Okay, children? Yes, practice writing and writing in your 4 lines book. This is the L blends revision. Okay? Yes? Yes, we will move to next class, that is our maths. Today we are going to learn the numbers 1 to 81 to 90, because you already know 1 to 80, so again and again I am not revising. We will go to a new number, that is 81 to 90. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 80, 88, 89, 90, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and the 90. How the 81 will come? You know that 80 plus 1, 80 plus 2, 80 plus 3, 80 plus 4. Like this it will come. Okay, 81 to 90, the number. Now you came to know what is the numbers from 1 to 90. Yes? Yes, I know you are not a small children. In the LKG only you have learned the numbers from 1 to 50. So again and again we no need to revise you. You know how to write the numbers from 80 to 90. It's nothing but the splitting of 80 plus 1, 80 plus 2, 80 plus 3. Like that it will go on. Yes? Yes, children. Okay. Now the home, see, we are moving to the next one, that is 10 and beyond. This is the new topic for you, correct? No? 10 and beyond. What do you mean by 10 and beyond? 10 ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. 10 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 10 ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. For example, if I write 15, what is this? 10 plus 5. correct ಅಲ್ಲ? 10 ಗೆ ನೀವು 5 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10ಕ್ಕಿಂತ 10 and behind. What we will tell? This is 10 plus behind. Okay? 10 and behind. One second. 10 and behind. Here 10 is this and behind is this. Okay? I'll tell you another one example. If I take 18 is equal to, how we split the 18? 10 plus 8. Correct, no? 10 plus 8 is 18. Here the 10 is here plus behind. B-E-Y-O-N-D. B-E-Y-O-N-D. Behind. 10 and behind. If I take the 18, the 10 plus 8 is 18. This is 10 and this is behind. Okay, this I'll show you in pictures. What is that? If I take the picture of what? Easy thing is our ball. I'll draw some balls here. I don't know how many balls are there. Yes? I'll 1 second. Just I will count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 balls are there. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 balls are there. Okay. Now I have to do the 10 and beyond. What is this? 11. 11 is equal to 10 plus how much? 1. 10 plus 1. I have to make a set of 10 into 1. See. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. Beyond is this. This is beyond. Understood children? ಹತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 10 and beyond. I'll do another one example using the leaf. Let us see how many leaves are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 leaves are there. Here how many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 leaves are there. Okay. 13 leaves is equal to 13. That means 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. What I have to do now? Now I have to make one set of 10. I take set of 10 here. Okay. How many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 leaves in one set. This is 10. And these 3 are beyond. Okay children? You understood? Yes. Do try at home. You will come to know. The homework is yes. With that, yesterday we learned some what the ordinal numbers also. Just I go through that. ball. Where is the first ball in this row? Yes, this is the first ball in this row. Correct, no? Yes. Which is the third square triangle in this? You have to count first, second, third. First, second, third. This is the third one. Fifth one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth is this cat. Okay. Next is sixth. How many bats are there? We have to see the sixth bat. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Oh, this is the sixth one. And eighth square. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. This is the eighth square. Like this, you have to identify the places. Okay. Now I will give you the homework. What they have given there? Circle the picture in your mathematics readiness book, page number 67. What they have given? Circle the picture to show the ordinal number. You have to circle the picture. What I did here, you have to do like that only. Okay. Next one, second homework is in your square book. Write numbers 1 to 90 one time. Okay, for the one time you have to write in your square book, write numbers 1 to 90. Yes, this is one homework, this is second homework, and in square book only show 10 and behind. Any picture you want, you can take it off. Okay. Any picture you can show for that. First one is 12, 16, 19. Okay. For these three, you have to show me 10 and behind. You have to draw 12 pictures and you have to make one set of 10. You have to draw 16 pictures and you have to make of 10 like that. Okay. Yes. Now we will move to one fun craft. Okay. Next one is in your drawing book. I'll show you. Look at the bird. My heading is look at the bird. Okay, look at the bird. You have to, I'll show you. I have given in the curriculum which I'll send to you. One example I'll show to you. Look right. If the bird is sitting and looking right, what you'll do? What you'll do? Tell me. Yes, I'll show you how it will look. Okay, see, I have taken. Yes, I'll show you only one thing. See, I'll draw one. If the bird is there, what and all is required? You have to draw the body, then eyes, then beak, then legs, then what else? Make the wings. Okay? towards the right. This bird is seeing which side? Bird is looking right. Yes, no? My hand is right side, the bird is looking to the right side. Okay? Like this, you have to do some fun activity in your drawing book. I will show you the picture how you to draw. You have to draw. This is first one. Look right. Bird. Okay. Second one is look left. Top view. Look down. Right. And the fifth one is look down. Left. Okay. These pictures you have to draw in your drawing book. How you have to draw? I will send you the curriculum what they are given to me with the pictures of the birds, which should be like this. Okay? Yes? Hope understood, no? Yes, children. Again tomorrow when we meet, we will do some other in the 10 and behind and also the EVS class. Take care. Bye.